Back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you how to update system on your Google Play Store on Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you head over to your phone settings on your Android phone. So go ahead and click on settings. Next thing you want to do to scroll down right here until you get to password and security. Click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Google Play System Updates. Go ahead and click on that. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on check for updates right here. Your device is up to date at this so time and you are using Android 14. Everything will be analyzed right here. Google Play System Update last was January 1st, 2026. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to keep your Android devices run up to date, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.